Hello trader, welcome to my step-by-step tutorial on how to trade on WEEX exchanger mobile app. If you are new to trading or looking for a reliable exchanger to trade, you have come to the right place. Now let's go.
Once you are logged in, you will see the app's home screen. Let's navigate to the trading session. Tap on the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. Here in the trading interface, you will see the list of all available trading pairs. For this tutorial, we will trade Bitcoin against USDT. So now we are going to select BTC pair from the list. Now you will see the price, the chart, and other trading tools. To place an order, tap on the buy or sell button, depending on what you want to do. Let's go through the process of placing a buy order. Enter the amount of BTC you want to buy or the amount of USDT you want to spend. You can also set the price at which you want to buy. Once you enter the details, tap on the buy BTC button and place your order. Your order is now placed. You can track your orders in the order section. That's it. You have successfully placed a trade on the WEEX exchanger mobile app.
Remember, you always do your own research and trade responsibly. If you have any question, further assistance, feel free to reach out to WEEX support team, or you can drop in the comment section here. Happy trading, buddy. Wait. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials from us. See you next time.